Hey guys, welcome back for another vlog. How you all doing? It's good to be back, guys. Hope you guys are all doing great. Hope you guys are healthy. Hope you guys are okay with your family, with your loved ones. Today is Sunday and it's cold here in Canada right now. And today I'm going to try new things, which is the skating. And if you are watching this video, guys, I want you to do something that you never done before, like skating, boxing, running. It is important to continue the healthy living during this time, guys. This time people are having a hard time, but you know, doing something that you never done before is also exciting. And what are you guys waiting for? Let's do this, guys. It is cold. It is always cold here in Canada. This is gonna be my first time doing the skating. Soon I will be doing also the snowboarding. And if you are watching this vlog, I want you to do something that you never done before, that keeps your body healthy, whatever, that keeps your mentally healthy. Do it, guys. It is for you, for your own health. So what are you guys waiting for? Come and join me. It is my first time, new activity. Let's do this. It's winter, feels like -40. Damn, look, it's freezing. Everywhere is freezing right now, guys. What are you guys waiting for? Let's do this. Let's have a quick montage. So we are finally here, guys. Let's try to do the skating. I just bought this yesterday and it's my first time doing it. Let's see what's gonna happen. Oh, look at this. What is that? Look at the powder, guys. So we're gonna skate there. Later we're gonna fly my drone around here. Let's do this. Look at my skating. So this is gonna be our first skating here. For now, let's do it. Let's do this, guys. Cheers! Let's go. What? 2 minutes. thank you for watching, guys. That's it for today's video, and see you on the next vlog, and hopefully we can make more. It is really cold here right now in Canada, and if you like this video, share it with your loved ones. If you don't like it, just keep sharing it, keep loving it. Let's make it 1,000 subscribers this year, guys, and thank you for the support. And that's it. See you on the next vlog. Peace. Cheers.
And as the